Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce you to my son, Adam. Adam is working on EDGER, and he just bought a part for this EDGER. He said he has no clue how anybody could break because the pen is pretty good size. I have to give him that. That pen's pretty good size. However, he's being frustrated, so I decided to video him to bring him a little cheer. A little holiday cheer. Maybe he just needs some Christmas cheer. Could everybody in the audience please sing just a couple of choruses of Jingle Bells for him? This is his preferred profession. Although he's had opportunities to be anything he wants to be, basically, this is what he's chosen to do for work, his profession. And despite the fact I was hoping for a desk job, I truly have to admit, he's like an artist with these things. He can fix them when no one else can.
Obviously spending a significant amount of time sitting here, so it's kind of like a desk job.
Say that louder for your audience.
I said I'm spending a significant amount of time sitting here, obviously, so it's kind of like a desk job.
Do you want to sing a chorus of Merry Christmas or Jingle Bells?
No cussing. Those things.
How about a moment of Do You Hear What I Hear? Or is that too schizophrenic-like?
Not gonna work like that. Wasting time. Wasting time.
Plumber pants. You have to go with the plumber pants.
A little tappy tap tap.
Without a doubt, he really does know what he's doing.
You don't have to worry about breaking it off.
And you gotta love this big guy too. Look at that face. Is that not the face of somebody you gotta love?
Only a face a mother can love.
Your mother does love that face a lot. But you're pretty handsome too, dude. This your lady thinks so, and your child. And a lot of other girls over the years that I don't even want to remember. A few I really wish I could forget. I'm fairly sure Polly was my favorite.
I wonder whatever happened to her.
Someone told me she had passed away. I don't know whether that's true or not, but someone told me she had. She was definitely my favorite. She was the one that always would come to the house and say, "Don't worry, Janice, I'll take care of him." With the sincerity that made your mama know she meant it.
Let's just let it come apart like that. Okay, now just let it go ahead and come apart.
So what is this officially called?
An edger?
No, what is the part that you're replacing?
The blade adjustment.
So you're replacing the blade adjustment because someone adjusted the blade until they broke the other one?
Somebody was adjusting the blade vigorously. Should I be trying to reuse this? No, I shouldn't. Should I be going to pick up my child? Yes, I should.
I keep telling him he should do how to YouTube videos, but he keeps resisting.
I do have my own YouTube channel.
Do you have any how-to videos on it?
Kinda.
Okay. Tell me your YouTube channel so I can promote it.
Busted Junk.
Busted Junk. And there you go, guys.
That's what it all is Busted Junk.
You might want to take a look at his YouTube channel, especially if you have anything that needs fixed, because he sits here on the ground with his tools around him with nothing really special, just normal everyday tools that just about anyone would have. And he not only repairs this stuff for individuals, but he also repairs it to resell. And he really does have a skill. He's got some sort of innate ability to look at something and know what needs fixed. And a real common sense way of going about fixing it. Since he was born with the skill to argue, though, pretty sure he was arguing even in the womb. Definitely after birth, it wasn't long until he discovered a special skill about arguing and never giving up on that argument. I thought he should be an attorney. If he could take those arguing skills to the courtroom, he'd be a millionaire.
Be in jail quicker.
And could take his mom to Hawaii. The strange noise you hear in the background is his alarm going off. It's time to go pick up my granddaughter from school so Grandma can visit with her while I'm here. Talk about an angel. This little girl is that. Oh, and before he quits for the day, please notice the bucket of water in the background. He keeps that out here and he keeps it fresh for all the animals in the neighborhood, wild and homeless. There's birds that will come to this bucket to drink. There's stray dogs that come to this bucket to drink. There's even stray cats that come up here to drink.
Stray neighbors that come over and try to dump it out.
And stray neighbors that come over and try to dump it out. The neighbors don't like the water. Because if it's stagnant water, it breeds mosquitoes, and you don't want to do that this far south. But he keeps the water in that bucket fresh for the animals.
Look at the adjustment on that one.
So it's working fine.
Yep, just need to put the rest of the way back together. One at a time.
Well, guys, you got to see at least the middle part and the frustrating part of replacing the adjustment pin.
So if you're
for your
watching
EDGER.
this, I want to know who adjusts their bevel enough to break this solid steel rod.
Please comment in the comments below.
You're beveling real hardcore, man.
Please subscribe, because you never know what you're going to find on my channel.